Have you ever wondered how everything, the stars above, the oceans, even you, came to be? Let's journey back to when there was nothing but a quiet, endless void. Then, from the silence, a voice spoke, "Let there be light." And light burst across the darkness, brilliant, warm, and alive. God separated the waters, placing some above and some below. A clear blue sky stretched wide, full of promise. Next, dry ground rose from the seas. Grass covered the earth, flowers bloomed, and trees reached upward, their leaves dancing in the breeze. Brilliant lights appeared, the sun to rule the day, the moon to guide the night, and countless stars sparkling like the waters came alive with fish, dolphins, and whales, while colorful birds soared high, filling the world with joyful song. Then came creatures of every kind, lions prowling, deer leaping, rabbits hopping, all exploring their brand new home. Finally, God formed people in His own image, giving them life, purpose, and the beauty of choice. On the seventh day, God rested, gazing at everything He made. And it was very good.